guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be different because today I will paint on my Rubik's cube with acrylic colors. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you. Let's start. So that is it for today, guys. If you like this video, please do like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comment below if you want such more videos like this, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.